We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Now, let's pick up business. Okay, guys, we are marking up DWACW stock. Take a look at what's going on in the market. So what we have here, let's break down this charts. Last candle in the market is a small bullish candle, very tiny, so it has to grow. Price action goes up. We got a few areas to tag. We're going to tag this area here. We're looking for market to come to this high if that market's going to push up this bullish candle. If not, if it does reverse within this month time frame and become a bearish candle, it'll go down to this low here. Then we can see that there's some type of mid-range right in the middle. We take that midpoint, we place that here. So let's read the market, see what's going on. Okay, so we have market start off at a low. Okay, pushed all the way up to that high, and it's actually overextended. Wasn't able to close out. Market closed out right here. Then the market dropped back down. Came back down for a retest, and now we see like a little bit of momentum, like this market could be pushing up again. So what it looked like is a break, retest. Now this market could be pushing up, or it can just be breaking, retest, and then dropping back down, or consolidating this area here. But so far with this bullish candle, the market likes coming out of this midpoint to push up further. Let's walk down the time frame and see what we see. Headed down to weekly. Okay, we can clearly see that break and retest. Our market started off with a low. We got 3 candles at this bottom here, very small. Market pushed up, broke out the resistance, came back into the resistance, turned to support, came back to have support that midline, and now we look like that market could be shooting up. We are on a weekly time frame. We have to wait for this candle to close out. Let's take a look a little closer. So by the end of this week, if this white candle on my screen would be green on yours, if that market closes out above this red candle, the market is shooting up to areas higher highs. But we need to get this candle has to engulf the previous candle to push up further. If it doesn't, we can wait for the second candle to form and close out above this to shoot that market up, depending on the size of that second candle as well. So we clearly got the break, we got the retest. Now we're looking for some type of engulfing pattern in this area here. If we receive that market can be going up to areas of highs. Let's head down the daily time frame and see what we see. So when market pushed up, it did push up from a double top. So we got just read the market. We got time, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. We got that retest. So market came back, retested that resistance line after it broke, and the market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, and market came back for another third time. Average 3 pushes down to the bottom, and we got some type of structure here that's showing that market can be pushing up. That we see is what? W. So we do have that first leg, we have that second leg, third leg, we got that fourth leg right now. Market broke that resistance here. So we got that break, market coming back down to retest, because that last candle in the market currently is, I mean, it's still building, but it looked like a small doji. Is a small candle of some type of support. So market broke, came back to retest. So hopefully this market can show another white candle on my screen, green in yours, and the market could push up. So far, the market is at that retest candle. We are on a daily time frame, so this market can still grow into a bullish candle and push up further. So if we start seeing that and it closes up, we do know that market will be in an uptrend on that daily time frame. Head down to the 4. So the market just extended itself. We still see that W, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, more extension. Same retest area. Day 1, 4 hour, 3 hour, 2, 1 is all the same. Let's check the 45. So our market is getting extended. 45 is the same, 30, same, 15, same structure, just extended candles. 5, now we see something with 5 minutes. Let's take a look at what's 5 minutes doing. So we got a little bit more structure that was added. And this is what I was talking about, that engulfing pattern. So we starting to see that engulfment of that market. So if we take, so we know that that market did that retest. That's that retest candle right here. Put a line right through that top of that resistance of that retest. We want this white candle to engulf the previous red candle. So we'd be looking for another break. Oh, market's pushing up, looking real clean. Don't chase that market because it can still come down. Let that market fully break out in my screen white and come back down to red to this area here. We're going to be looking for the market to push up. It don't have to come all the way down, but you want to see some type of support in this area here for that break and retest, because there's even one red candle on the side of that pushed that market up. Now, if you identify that, that market's clearly going up. We can see the market's looking real clean for that uptrend. So we're looking for a break and retest on the 5 minute, and that market can be pushing up. Let's head down to the 3. Okay, on the 3, we do see that break and retest currently, but we don't see that second break and retest. We got the break of this 3 minute to the previous side. That's engulfed the previous side. That market pushed up, so we're looking for a market to show some red for a retest. That market will be shooting up further. Headed down to the 1, and we can see that breakout that we see from this area here. So we, like I said, I think 15, 5, 3, and 1 is all the same. You look for that break, market come back down, retest. You see that retest. You look for entry in this area here, and then that market's pushing up to new areas of highs where the situation's at. Very important information, guys. Please review and study breakdown retest strategy. Okay, understand when the market is breaking out and retesting. If it's at that area, if it's at that low, working its way up, what's happening? So pay attention to these charts for that break and retest for that market to shoot up further. Very important information, guys. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Very important information to understand structure and patterns in the market. When you identify structures and patterns in the market, it'll be easier for you guys to trade. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. DWACW stock.